thought that I would come on here and film a quick intro for you guys to this What's for Dinner number 6. I've been sick, so I've been taking a lot of pictures again of the food instead of the video clips. So we had ham and cheese sliders one night, we've had breakfast a couple nights, we had buffalo chicken and onion rings one night, and Christmas Day I fixed a feast of turkey, mashed potatoes, cranberry rolls, and macaroni and cheese and gravy. Also had pizza casserole. The dates, it will be on the pictures, but I just wanted to give a quick little intro and tell you I've been sick, trying to get some videos out. Still wanted to share with you guys the meals I've been fixing to give you some dinner ideas. Link the in the kitchen playlist below as well. December the 29th, tonight for dinner, I made this in the crock pot, and basically it's the Italian chicken one-pan meal that I did a video on and in the kitchen, so that will be linked below. But I done it with pork chops this time. Those are red potatoes, but this time I skinned them, and green beans, all in the crock pot. January the 1st, what's for dinner tonight? We're having a mashed potatoes, carrots, and blade steaks. January the 5th, what's for dinner? Tonight I had these tortillas and I've been wanting a chicken wrap. So I made buffalo ranch chicken in the crock pot, and I topped that with I shredded that, topped it with cheese, a bunch of lettuce. I have 2 of those here, same thing. And then I made some makeshift nachos. I just have some tortilla browns, some nacho cheese, tomatoes, topped with chunky taco sauce. Microwave this 30 seconds. It is so good. I don't know why. It just is. But that's what's for dinner. It's a little bit different. January the 8th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made broccoli roll. This is actually stew meat, but I do this the same way I do the blade steaks. I put it in the glass pan with a little bit of water with some sauce and seasoning, salt, pepper. Cook it for an hour. So good. And some beef rice. And that's what's for dinner. January the 9th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made fish, some Parmesan and garlic potatoes, cornbread, and corn on the cob. January the 10th, what's for dinner? Tonight I did make some burgers just for convenience. I was babysitting all day, and it's quick and easy. So I have onion rings here, and I have my burger, ground beef burger with some cheese. Today I decided to do something different. I did do mayonnaise on it, but I put a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. January the 19th, what's for dinner? Tonight we're having tacos again. I've been my craving lately. So I have the ground beef mixture, cheese and lettuce. So just kind of like a regular soft taco at Taco Bell. And then I have some nachos, so just some tortilla rounds, nacho cheese. I have tomatoes on them and taco sauce. That's how I've been really loving eating those. I've just been craving tacos so much. So that's what's for dinner. January the 21st, what's for dinner? Tonight was a quick meal, and it was the Genio turkey kind of loaf, and you find it in the freezer aisle. So you just pop it in your oven for like 2.5 hours. It's actually pretty tasty, and it's just cut up right there, but it's white and dark meat, turkey. And I just poured some gravy over top of that. I made real mashed potatoes. We have some green beans, and I have a roll. And that is what's for dinner, January the 21st. January the 23rd, what's for dinner? We went to Papa John's and we picked up a pepperoni pizza. So that's what's for dinner. And I made a cheesecake. January the 28th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made buffalo ranch chicken, one of my newer favorite recipes that we've had. We're gonna have that with a roll. I made some fried potatoes, macaroni, and cheese. So that's what's for dinner tonight. I just whipped this up on a whim. Honestly, I've not been in the mood for anything. It's winter. I'm sick of winter. That is why the what's for dinner has been few and far between. I also want to add that a lot of the times that happens too, we have repeat stuff, but basically we've been having a lot of repeat meals and stuff like that. So yeah, tonight is a little bit different and I'm happy about that. January the 29th, what's for dinner tonight? I just made a homemade potato salad and I fixed some barbecue boneless ribs in my crock pot. And that is what's for dinner. January the 31st, what's for dinner tonight? I have it's almost like just a one pan meal. It was a box dinner and it has mashed potatoes, a layer of gravy and chicken, and a biscuit layer on top. And that's what's for dinner. This will also be the last installment for this what's for dinner. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you will stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you haven't already, check the description box for additional links as well as all the other what's for dinners. Hope you enjoyed.